How cool was that, eh? That was all done by AI. But how, why and what? Well, I bet you all know this channel called Cocomelon. It is one of the most successful channels on YouTube, and they make these animated kids song videos. They have over 185 million subscribers, and they have over 192 billion views. Let that sink in. When we take a look at their social blade, we can see that they are estimated to make around $500,000 to $7 million a month. That is just nuts. Now consider only getting 1% of their success. Well, then you'll still be ending up with making $5,000 to $70,000 a month. That doesn't sound bad, right? So you want to know how they are doing it and get the money, views and subscribers yourself? Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own animated kids songs with AI and go viral. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Like always, we first take a look at what kind of videos the channel we are trying to emulate are making. But this time, I think you all know by now how a Cocomelon video looks like. It's a kids song with 3D animated colourful people and animals, and they use a sing-along caption. So let's get started ourselves. To get a starting point, we head over to ChatGPT and ask the following. Give me ideas for an animated song video for kids. Amazing, now we already got some great ideas here. Now choose one which you think will be the best. Let's pick the Animal Dance Party. Now ask the following. I will pick the Animal Dance Party, please write the lyrics for that song. For some reason lately, ChatGPT tries to put some of its answers in a weird document that I cannot open. Does this also happen to you? Well, I simply stop him and ask this. Please write the lyrics here in text form. Okay, that is perfect now. Now copy the lyrics. Next up, we are going to generate the kids' music. We are going to use Suno. It is free to use and amazing. Just go there and sign up, and now click on Create. Now here we are going to paste our lyrics. And guys, to avoid errors, I am going to put these brackets for the chorus, verse 1 and 2, etc. You could obviously also ask ChatGPT to do that for you beforehand, but I will do it this way. Next up, we need to enter the style of music. Simply go back to ChatGPT if you are unsure and ask for the style of music. Okay, nice. Now copy this part and paste it into Suno. Now also add a title and then press Create. And Suno is really fast. It will only take like 10 seconds and you can already listen to the songs. Yes, songs, because these create two versions. Let's listen to them. Okay, very cool. Now let's listen to this one.
It's a party in the jungle, come on, let's go. The animals are grooving, putting on a show. There's a lion with a roar, shaking his mane, and the monkeys swing high, they're never tame. Stomp your feet, clap your hands.
Amazing as well. I will download them both and put them into CapCut. Yeah, you only need to download one song, but I was unsure which one is the best, so I took them both to CapCut to have a better listen. And the winner is the first song. Okay, nice. Now that we've already got the song, we now need the 3D animations of the dancing animals. And to do so, we need a prompt, so we will ask ChatGPT the following. Now please give me video prompts for my AI video generator. Give me enough prompts so the entire song can be illustrated. Each scene should be in there. And please keep in mind that my AI generator forgets things a lot, so please add the setting for each prompt. Good luck. Now copy the first prompt, and then we are going to Hailuo AI. It is an amazing free-to-use AI video generator. The only downside of using this AI tool for free is that you need to wait a lot. Like really, there are a lot of waiting times. But if you create a new account here, you will get like 3 generations that are very fast. And when you are in luck, you might even get 1 or 2 days of free credits when you create a new account. But okay, that aside, as you can see, we simply paste the prompt in the text box and then press the generate button. We can queue 3 video generations each time. You will get 100 credits every day for free, and 1 video generation costs 30 credits. So yeah, we can only generate 3 videos here, and we need to generate 11 videos. So yeah, I am simply going to use my other free accounts to generate the other videos, and it really took a long time. So yeah, if you are really serious about this, I would definitely consider taking a subscription there, but this is a good starting point. And after like 3 or 4 hours, all the videos from like 6 or 7 different accounts were ready. Now simply watch them and download them. And guys, I would like to add a critical note. I mean, the video prompts could be better. Like, you would be better off if you had one consistent video style. So yeah, you would just have to tell that ChatGPT, like, you want a 3D style all the time, and it should be very colorful, for example. So that is something I would add the next time I would generate these videos. I made these mistakes, so you don't have to make them. After you've downloaded them, we are going to add them to the CapCut project, where the AI-generated song is already present. Now put them all in the right order according to the song. Yeah, so the clips should match the lyrics of the song. After that, we are going to transitions and add some nice transitions where you think it is needed. Now we want to remove that watermark. We could try and scale the videos up and in that way hide the watermark, but then you will end up with a less quality video output. So another way to do it is to select all the clips. Now do a right click and select Create Compound Clip. Now copy and paste the clip and put them in sync above each other. Now go to Effects and look for the blur effect. Now add that effect for the clip that is on top. Now select that clip and go to the right and go to Mask. Choose the rectangle and now adjust the rectangle and put in on top of the watermark. Okay, now we want to add the song lyrics, and I tried to use the captions function, but it couldn't recognize the speech and words. So another way to add captions is by copy the song lyrics and now open a new Google Docs project and add the lyrics there. Now I will delete words like chorus, verse 1 and 2. Now go to File and then to Download and now select Plain Text. The next step is to search on Google for a TXT to SRT converter. I found this one from Go Transcript. We only need to upload the plain text file from Google Docs here. And now for the format we will select subrip-SRT and then press Convert and download it. Now we go back to CapCut and go to Captions and go to Add Captions and press Import File. Now select the SRT file. Now drag that box in the playlist. Look at that, there are the song lyrics. Now we only need to listen to the song and put all the captions in the right order. And guys, while I am doing this, I totally realize I have to make some adjustments to the video placements. That is why I am undoing the compounds clips. Okay, next we are going to stylize the captions and add some animations. Okay, now I will quickly add the blur to the watermark again. Next, we are going to add some sound effects to make the video even better. Simply search for them on YouTube. I will, for example, add this happy kid sound effect. I will add a lion roar, some jungle sounds, monkey sounds, and an elephant sound. I am using the 4K video downloader, but you can obviously use any other MP3 YouTube downloader. Now add them to the project everywhere where they should be. Next up, we are going to add some filter to make the video look even better. A little bit of the center light, Clear 2 and Peach Glow will do amazing. Last but not least, go to text and add a text block. Now write the song name and stylize the font and add an animation like this. When you are done, simply export in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own animated kids songs with AI and go viral. Have a lot of fun, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye! Here is the end result.
The cheetahs sit